What's up everybody, Sensei here. Welcome to the show. Welcome to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to make good but inexpensive power and jump pads. So in my hand I'm holding a 45-degree angle cut sanding block. I got 8 of these off of Amazon for just under $10. Nice, sturdy. And as you can see there, look at that angle. Great control, but won't have you locked in too tight. And this is the straight sanding block. Got these from the dollar store. Got 8 of them at $1 a piece. And this is where I'm going to place the front pad right there. That's pretty good for me. As you can see, the amount of room that you have to work with on a Tesla is very narrow. So what I'll do with the straight block, I'm going to cut it in half and place that on the back. Now I'm more worried about the front. That's the most important one for me. These are 2 palm sanders. Now I got these off Amazon, 2 for just under $7. It's made out of a foam, rubbery material. It's not too hard, it's not too soft, it's perfect. It has Velcro on the back, just the loop side, not the furry side. So what I did, I took some Gorilla Glue and glued a 2-inch plexi disc on the back. I'm going to attach it to the wheel with some Velcro lock. Velcro lock is very strong. Now depending on how you like to ride, your style of riding, depending on how low or how high you like your jump pad, you might not be able to close your pedals. So be mindful of that. I'm really not worried about closing the pedals. I'd rather have the control over the wheel and the ability to jump the wheel when I want. So again, just play around with the placement. Eventually you will find where you want it. And right here, I'll give you an example. These are my riding shoe of choice, Chuck E. T's, the custom-made Sensei vegan the custom-made Sensei vegan version. And this is right where I'm going to put the jump pad, right here, just above my instep. And yes, I'm going to keep that little flub in the video. Why not? Makes for great entertainment. Again, play around with the placement. This should suit my riding style well. And if not, you can always move it. But I think I got all this stuff for about $25. There's other great power and jump pads out there. I know Clark pads are fantastic, but if you're on a budget, definitely look at this idea. Again, thank you so much for joining me. If you like videos like this, you sub to the channel. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Sensei. Hello, good night.